unational enyakaza ehambe yobheka sabona no Shivambu and everything was sorted. So ke siyabonga kakhulu kwi-national leadership. That is number one that I want to touch, ukuthi kunezinto ezenzakalayo behind the scenes. Number two, I want to really assure you ukuthi indaba yezinohlonze newspaper MK newspaper iyaqhubeka. Abantu abanye benibabonile kunama adverts esiwakhiphile la sifuna khona abantu abayizintatheli abakwazi ukufunda indaba. Already we are starting kunane ekhasi page elizosiza kakhulu ukulekelela ekutheni lidile nezinto enizoyikhipha nina nizikhulumela nina thina singangene kuze nizoba nini imithombo ethembekile. So ke ngoba sifuna ukulungisa izwe nakulana ku MK siyazi ukuthi kukhona lento ye division ebonakalayo phakathi kwa national ama province ama region ama sub region kuzoba amazone kuzoba amawadi information kuningi konakela. So ke iphepha ezinohlonze umkhonto wesizwe newspaper lizele lokho ukuthi lizolungisa lezo zinto ligcwalise lezo ikhala. Akhona ama challenges esabhekene nawo kodwa ke esidila nawo ngeke ngize ngene kuwo, but in terms ngokwama post akhona and ngibonge futhi ukuthi nakhona ngikwi executive board yakhona, and you will find my own personal page elizobe deala ne-financial education, elizobe deala ne-life and business coaching, elizobe thinta indaba zamakhosi, abezenkolo nabelaphi bendabuko. Niyazi ukuthi ke that is leyo ke ivela ku chief editor. So that is the second one I want to ukuthi ngiyidlulise. One, okwenzakalayo kumkhonto wesizwe. Number two, iphepha ezinohlonze umkhonto wesizwe newspaper as part of executive board yakhona. So ke ngithi ngindlusele onke ama post enibabonile ayiqiniso, ningaqala ni-apply nibheke kuma group kuma WhatsApp yonke into sithi khulumile nayizolo la e-office besine meeting as a leadership elibhizi office likaNgubo webakithi. Angazi office elibhizi kanjena mina. Yebo mfethu kubhizi, wonke umuntu akabe busy, kuyaphithizela, wonke umuntu akaphithizela. So ke we had a very gruesome meeting because sizoqala nama like podcast whereby we're gonna be going live. Kuningi kuzoba nama seminar, kuzoba nama training and intatheli sicokoshela indaba yonke indawo. Sizonazisa ukuthi iphepha litholakala kanjani, wenza kanjani. Sifuna nama distributors endaweni ezahlukene. So ke if you know ukuthi you are good in this, amathuba omsebenzi awekho, kade ngithola amakhola abantu bebuza bethi ingane zethu kade ifundiswa indaba, akhona nama stipends, akhona ama salary. Obviously we are working that people will be paid. Sizoqala kancane sibone sikhula kanjani. Sesinabo notolika ezisothi mesiqeda ukulibhala ngesiZulu batolike ngezinye ilimi, liyahamba liya Northwest, liyahamba liye Limpopo, bakhona lizophuma ngesivenda, lizophuma ngesixhosa, lizophuma ngesingisi. Wena bafethu konakele kubhizi, wonke umuntu akube busy. This is the season yokuthi sibone izinto zenzeka. Number 4, sijabulela ukuthokozela ukubona uMK ukhula. Abantu abaningi bayayibona izinto ezenzekayo. Kade sibona uShiluva umphathi wakhona usulile, kade sibona untombazana onamandla ngohlobo olumangasayo lapha yana ku EFF ebuya naye eza ngapha ku MK. Kubonakala ngazi ukuthi kuyothi kuphela lo nyaka wonke umuntu yobe esewu MK. So kubalekile ukuthi sikubambe ukuthi there is great leaders who are coming in. Kade ngibona no Reddy Tladi who is one of the newspapers and one chief editors obesetshenziswa kakhulu uRonkolo, ukhale elikhulu kwi-media space kwa SABC, usebenzile ne-IOL. She has come back ukuthi azoba ingxenye yawo MK. So ke nje sibona big guns, big gurus are coming in, and angifuna ukwathinta ke ama like issues abanye abantu abakhala ngawo ukuthi kubonakala kunenkinga yokuthi abantu abayiswe emaparliament abayakupha abantu abangasebenzanga nani. Leyo nto iyayithinta lento umdala ke wakhuluma ngayo ukuthi asikwazi ukuya kwi-conference because ziningi idumbe ingaphuma. Kuningi ongonakala ngenxa ukuthi kusakhiwa iqembu liselisha, kunezinto okumele zibhekwe zilungiswe sibone ukuthi senze njani. So ke lokho ngiyacela ukuthi ngingangeni kukho ngoba angifuni ukupoliticize kakhulu, just giving you the latest update. And one of the major updates ngicishe ngithi number 5 ngendaba ye-workers desk, and kade futhi ngizolo ngine-meeting nabanye abaphathi nabanye abaholi namanye ama-leaders khona la e-office, and I can tell ukuthi kunenhlangano esithi ngama like unions who are coming in to join u-MK ngobuningi bawo. Ucathi khona noNehawu, angeke ngiwasha amagama, but kodwa inhlangano ezinkulu ezaziwayo kade ziwumbimbi, nekhosathu kade ziwumbimbi, nesathu kuneyabothisha, kube khona i-workers desk le ranwa ubaba uBishop Ngcobo, esizelekelana khona noKhaida u007, uDecent uDlamini office okuyena ophethe wonke lo msebenzi. So there is a new development, kunezinto eziningi ezenzeka underground okumele sizazi sizibone, and i-workers desk iyasebenza. There are issues esidila nabo, bakhona abantu abaningi esebesizakele esebebe ingxenye yokubona kuhanjwa kusukunye. And number 7, indaba yamakhosi abezenkolo nabelaphi bendabuko. Kunestandi kumuntu asithathile the national spokesperson wamakhosi abezenkolo abelaphi bendabuko. Kunezinye izinto esidila nazo very diligently, as very critical, as very sensitive, enizokubona. Ngiyayithola indaba zamakhosi, ngiyakuthola okwenzakalayo. Bekade ngihleli namanye amakhosi, undaba ezitha kade engekho eyenkosini yamahlongwa eyolungisa khona. Bengade ngibheka amanye amakhosi ngaphezulu land, bengade nginawo ukulungisa izinto. So kubhizi. Last not at least, before ngiphelelwe isikhathi njengamanje, around about 6:30 siphuma kwi-robust meeting ebikade ikhona, as much as kade ikhona la e-office ebikade kungeye province yaKwaZulu Natal, ibe-include ama-national leadership, ibe-include abakwi-legislator, include i-youth league ye-province, include i-regional youth league. Kunezinto ezilungisayo. So ke kuyabonakala ukuthi nje i-office la kuNgubo kusazoba busy. Abantu bamangele mebebona sesihanjiswa sigadwa ama-bodyguard, singena lana, kufika i-national, kufika i-province, kufika ama-region, kuzodinga indaba engeke ngize ngikwazi ukuthi ngisikhulume la, because into enza ukuthi ngingashuthi khona because indaba ibiyimfihlo. But into ebalulekile ukuthi we are busy preparing ukuthi akulunga indaba zama-structure, akulunga o-coordinator, akulunge o-organizer, akulunge lama-parallel structures, akulunge yonke lento eyinyakanyaka ekhona, ngoba into esisabelayo eyiqiniso wonke umuntu ayikhuluma buthule. Yonke indaba ka-MK ilele ngomdala, and anything that can happen kumdala ingase isifake enkingeni. So ke kubalekile ukuthi inhlangano ayihleleke kusenesikhathi. Asisho ukuthi khona sicabanga nesikushoyo, kodwa ke indoda ehlakaniphile iyahlela ngaphambi kwekhathi. So ke kuningi kokulungiswayo. Sibonga ukuthi inhliziyo zabantu zithambile, abantu basafisa ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngecala le international. Don't worry, that is coming in. Bengade ngikhuluma nje nomfundisi uKekana ePretoria, who was obekade ehleli kwisigungu, besikade sikhuluma about 3-4 hours namhlanje ngingakasuku emzini wami omusha ngize office. Yebafethu cha ngiyasebenza, and I can tell you mhlawumbe ke just the last hint, kungekudala I've been offered another position. Angazi ke ngoba ke umuntu kuthiwa kanjani, angitshelwanga, kodwa sengitsheliwe ukuthi ngiya kwenye position enkulu ku-national, ngaphezulu kwale nkulu enginayo. Kusho ukuthi yena sengunogwajo oyikhundla. Angazi nami ngizokwenza njani, but ugazi liyangithanda ukusebenza kwami, kuyayigqama, kuyayiveza. Sibonga isupport, sibonga ukulandela, sibonga ukuviewer nokukhomenta, siyanthanda. Amandla.